a trillion tries.
Finally! Okay, y'all, good luck!
Oh, hi, Jack.
Oh,
Hi, Naya.
Oh my god.
Oh my. Who am I
Oh
with?
my god.
Danny, we're together!
Yeah, and it's
Danny,
this
where
is
are
our
you?
first campfire with each other.
Oh my god, it's a walking mushroom.
This is our first
I
campfire.
didn't know. I didn't know.
A wild
Hawkeye was a
mushroom
part
is
of our
very
crew.
much walking. Nom.
As Roberta and Cassandra burning together. We're burning
Oh yeah, but
God, I don't like
No.
what is the first
Oh,
one?
shit.
Hello?
I'll make this one.
Don't shove me off, Jake. Stop
No.
it.
Sorry, I'm in love with this formation. Oh my god, look at us.
Everyone-
It's just a diagonal line. Calm
to
down,
do off a
Danny.
little bit. Go
Look,
away, please.
I know it's a
Icicle,
diagonal
don't do
line,
this.
but still, it's very
Okay,
rare to see
wait.
that robot.
I am
Especially if
Echo, what
Why
are
are we
you
okay?
doing?
Why are we like speed walking, you guys? Please.
now
Stop.
speed walking.
No!
God,
No,
no.
Danny!
Oh, oops, that wasn't intentional.
Danny, I blame it on you.
Oh my god.
Danny,
What's
come
Naya's
back!
favorite
Danny, I need to know the
Good
first time you
job,
walk in my back to stay.
Naya, what's your favorite song? Blah.
Levitating by Dula Peep. Just play that one right now.
Why is everyone swarming Naya?
What's up? What's up? Let's sing a song.
Getting
Let's sing a
back to
song.
that.
What's the song? What's the song?
She's dying! She's
Run in the
dying!
hill. Run in the hill.
Naya, you okay?
No,
Okay,
they're
she's
not.
good.
They're clearly levitating. Oh, never mind. Naya's
She's
fine. They
alive,
just
don't
had
worry,
a
Daddy.
moment.
Thank you so much. You revived me. I love you.
Only gore.
Tell them, Echo.
Even though I don't watch even though I don't watch
Now-
Stranger Things, I love the
You
song.
must vote, people.
I don't know what was there.
I am
don't know.
so sorry. I'm really, really, really sorry.
Sorry to whoever I voted. It's not personal.
No.
No, dude.
Oh, that's a shot.
Shade.
Oh my god, I hate that.
I did.
To be honest, let's get the man out of here.
Up.
Lucy.
Oh, that's a good-
Oh my god.
What your tongue?
Did I say that? I thought I was on
You
mute,
are
girl.
so. You guys are really goofy. with
Lucy,
this
you're
song.
gonna get some votes in the voting pile.
No, that was an accident. I promise. That was such an accident. I would never. I
I
would
good luck, you too.
Why does going into first person make you shaky? I hate that.
Okay, well this
It
is...
does.
You guys
Yeah.
are really good at this.
Oh,
The camera just like does a little twerk.
Oh my god.
Wait, you do it? You're doing this in first person? Oh.
Oh my god. It's kind of. Oh my
You
I'm
guys
getting
got
down to the wire.
Just
Oh
do
my
not
God.
rush.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Take your time on those jumps.
We should like wait until like the time
Take
goes
it slow.
Oh
Okay,
my
so-
goodness.
Love it
Y'all
here.
just go
Watch the server
slow.
break because of this. Bye. No,
Right?
that's all.
Like,
Because
y'all have a lot
guys
of
are-
time left. Y'all
Guys, you
just
you
go
can take
slow and win.
5 seconds per jump at this point.
Yeah, take like 5
Stop going so
seconds
fast,
per-
Icicle.
Breathe.
You might fall.
Breathe before you
No,
wake
it's like
go
up.
a mouse.
slow.
Oh my gosh.
Go soon.
Oh,
Go
okay.
like-
It's turning me slightly and I hate it.
Alright.
Oh!
No, you're going home, girl.
Naya,
I mean, bye, I
no.
Bye.
This was such an unexpected first move.
GG, no.
I mean, both of them were gonna be unexpected because I didn't see
Wow.
both of
Hey
them.
guys,
even-
look.
I know.
Remember when Naya was? Remember when Naya was? Remember when Naya was levitating earlier? It predicted the future. So
Shut up.
Stop.
Are we gonna have more
Let's have a sleepover,
marshmallows?
my cabin.
Are we having marshmallows?
Oh.
It says-
Oh,
I
my
don't
goodness.
like- I don't like
Ew,
this.
no, please, not
I
that
don't
one.
like this. I don't like this.
Griffin, wake up!
the previous one has had it like a whole time.
Hate trans people. No, because this game hates trans people so much. It's not fair. It's really not fair.
I mean, it's
wanna
not
go.
fair because you won the previous challenge. It's fair if someone else
Oh,
can.
Jack.
I can go. I can go. I suck at wall jumps. I'm not winning.
Oh my god. You guys.
I'm just
Oh
running.
my god.
I think you guys should. If you slow down, I will give you 1 Robux.
Okay.
One Robux. Oh my god, they only can.
Guys, it's really rich. I swear.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, well.
What
Not
the
8.
fuck? No!
Oh my.
So this purple thing is like covering half of the
Shit.
That's why
cabin.
you don't take
Wow.
No, it's meant to be like this. I swear.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we go on the brink.
It's like
Yeah.
abstract art, you guys. Abstract.
Come on, stop
abstract.
it.
Future
Look at
looks
this
so
art.
lit. This
Bro,
is
it
what
goes
the
through-
nature and the
This
future looks
slays.
like. Whoa.
Oh no, not on the roof of the ground. How was it?
Guys, I don't like voting.
I don't know who to vote.
I don't know.
I'm on my knees.
Because you don't know if the person who voted is gonna go in.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
No, I'm about to kill
Talking
myself if
about
I
this
go
like
in.
This is 4D chess. This game breaks every 5 seconds.
Please,
know,
please
wow.
don't do this. Please, please. Oh,
Oh.
please don't do this. Please. Oh.
It's giving Jake the King lol why.
Please give me like a sword fight or something. Like I would love to do a sword fight.
Watch it be like
Please
Sleeper.
do not do parkour. I literally
yeah.
asked for
Lean.
not parkour.
Lean.
Oh, this
Please.
match
Hold
isn't-
Jake,
this
hold
match-
Jake so much.
Oh.
Hold Jake so
Well,
much.
hopefully he'll-
I mean, I guess I'll do
It keeps pausing me for some reason.
It's hard to jump those because they're so small.
They're so skinny. They're asking you to be skinny in order to be.
I
Look,
am.
Jake is out.
Okay, I did it.
Oh.
Bye, Jake.
Oh,
Please do
bye.
not vote me again. That was
Bye,
kind of
Jake.
traumatic.
Oh my god. GG, Jake. Oh.
Yo, who voted me? Just be honest. I want to know.
Goodbye.
Not the block
Yay.
push. I hate
Yay,
this.
block
Block
push.
push.
Gross. Gross. Ugly. So gross.
Lucy, come on.
No, I hate this one so much. I really don't like it. I'm scared. Shivers.
Well, Danny and
Who else
Peachy.
left? There's only 10 of us now.
Wait a minute, you can
Not
jump.
my BFF. That was kinda...
Oh,
Go up!
my book
Please.
bag. My book bag actually is helping me out. Okay, yeah.
Please. Just...
Get off.
Come on,
Over
book
that.
bag. Come on, I
If
still do
well, if
stuff.
Can I even
Well, my life.
Don't tell me I can cheese. No, never. I want cheese.
Uh,
Oh, you can have cheese.
Come on, please.
Okay, come on, block.
I hate this part.
Stop, please. Okay, there, I fixed it. I'm fine.
Oh, okay. My block almost went back.
Go that way. Go that way. Go, please.
Throw it back.
What?
Nope.
Okay,
The
there, I did
stupid
it.
wall. Okay, Shalkway.
No, it fell off. No, that
I
was so
am
far.
going to. Yeah, you know what?
I'm a.
No.
I am kind of.
I never
No,
thought at the
no,
block. At the
No,
block.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just glad that
God.
that challenge is over.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Oh my god, we got a free fun guy here, guys. What do we do?
it's competing, Jack. It's not food,
But I hungry.
but it's alive. No,
It's about to
you
be
can have
dead in
some.
2
You
seconds.
can have some marshmallows.
I'm not poisonous, I swear.
In that place. Oh god.
I'll be the judge of that one. Once I get to you from all the way back here, I will get you. Let's see who's in.
not her. Not
Not
her, girl.
You guys are being social. You know. Y'all are weird.
What?
What is these voting?
Win my queen, win my queen.
No.
Which
the
one?
fun guy.
Not the win
Both
my
of them.
You guys
Guys,
are weird.
Maybe the sacrifice came true.
Win
Wait
my
a minute.
queen.
Oh, guys, I think Kitty also disconnected.
Kitty already said that.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Kitty already said
Win
that.
my
They were muted
queen.
and said we disconnected.
Oh god, I just dropped something on my keyboard.
Why'd you say it like that?
My
From Family Guy?
Oh, I feel. Wait, I feel bad for the mushroom because they cannot see
Someone with
well.
the mushroom.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? There's a tree.
Oh,
was
go
that
up
so-
the tree.
That's embarrassing.
No.
The person who
Welcome
couldn't see
back,
how big
fun
the
guy.
mushroom got first.
That's
Yeah, they did it.
genuinely
Oh,
so misfortune.
Oh my god.
Cassandra, you did good.
GG,
Bye,
Cassandra.
BFF.
Shocked.
No,
No.
because the way that it's like, we're in top 9, and honestly, the only shocker was Naya.
Yeah.
The two disconnected.
Leave him alone.
The
Leave
two disconnections, and then like
¿Qué pasó?
Cassandra and
Ew!
Dick were like there, and we're like, okay.
Gross. No,
That's my
I don't want
eyes.
to do this one. I'm
Oh,
kind
I
of over
love-
it.
Oh no, it's my favorite one! No!
Jack, you can still compete.
No,
So
I
can
hate this one. I don't
Yeah,
like
it's
this one.
just you just have to like stand still and do nothing for a little bit, so that should
Yeah.
basically just be like your daily life.
No! This is
Jack,
no-
don't get your panties in a bunch.
What?
Okay, so I'm kind of just throwing these wall jumps because I can't.
Guys, stop.
Guys, did you know if you don't roll the ball, you actually win?
Go down.
Wow.
please.
You get
like-
Robux, you
it's
get
like a
free
secret
Robux
list.
from
I didn't know that. Oh my god, let me just do that real quick, totally.
Yeah.
What?
Just don't touch it.
Yeah,
Like,
say
keep-
it.
What if
all the way
I
up
what
to
if
the
I
top.
want to touch my ball stuck? What if I want to touch it?
I want to.
That's a bit weird of you to say on
yeah,
a VC
Danny,
with
that's a little
minors.
bit gross. So we're gonna vote.
I don't even have balls, girl. I'm fine. No.
Not.
Let's go
You
have
disconnect after touching it, actually.
program my
Just disconnect.
Oh no!
Jack.
That's okay.
Like, that's a poisonous mushroom, and I know it.
That's a
More
poisonous mushroom. Jack just falls over and dies. Oops! Medical evacuation.
They have been eliminated.
There's already 5 eliminations. The
Oh
fuck?
my god.
Actually,
Right?
every
Right.
single time in this game, there's a random medical evacuation.
Go in, Peachy.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You said my dead name. You did not say Lucy, girl.
Son of a bitch.
Dang. So we would see the video ends right here.
Oh my god.
This is the end. My game.
My
This is
fingers.
where I go.
Lick
This is where I
pause.
lose.
You don't
Yeah.
know. You don't know what
This is
it
where
Oh,
I. This is
Ew,
where I-
gross.
It's
Blood.
luck.
This is where I lose. I'm genuinely so sad. Good luck, Peachy. Good luck. Alright, might as well start
Actually,
going.
question, how did they get blood?
Oh! Two wipeouts.
Okay, well, bye, Jack. You're up.
Oh, bye,
Bye, Jack.
GG's.
Bye, Jack.
Yeah, you're just gonna slowly walk over there.
Bye, bye, Jack. At least you did your best.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You won an
GG,
immunity.
guys.
At least you won a immunity.
GG, guys.
Hey.
Oh no! Guys, I have to go. Oh no! Wow.
Guys,
This would like break your back and like you would collapse.
Yes. It
Okay, but
is
I like the aesthetics though. The
Metal.
aesthetic.
metal. It's a metal.
No.
Ew.
Oh,
Dude,
no,
guys,
oh my god.
No, why is it this one?
We're visiting
No.
Elsa. Oh my god. Do you think she's gonna sing that Elsa? But then no. But if we do that, then Peachy might get copyrighted. And this whole video might get demonetized.
As long as you don't get stuck on the floor. Like
I
high
just,
school
like,
did.
No, because I suck at this parkour.
Didn't you, Echo? You just had to. You just had to. Okay, never mind.
Yes.
You just had
You know
to.
what?
I did.
I'm
You cannot.
honestly insane, but I
Slime, what do you want to slime? Let's play some. I'm about to
I'm
go to play some
running.
battle.
I'm fighting
Yeah,
for my
I'm
life.
done.
I'm fighting for my life.
This is my fight song. This
Turn on. This is.
I just don't like the way it smiles. Kind of like giving.
Possessed.
No.
What? What? I love that bad.
Don't worry, it's like Dora the Explorer's back, but instead of it being nice, it's like
Does it talk?
it does talk.
Okay, say something about
God.
that.
So I look
Don't
around the
worry,
room.
don't worry, but it's not harmful. Yeah, I just store some stuff in it.
Like a knife?
Icicle, I have a question for you.
Right?
Okay, so a mini axe would do.
Mommy, why is it raining? And why do you have like a...
Rain. You know.
Oh, Frankie.
No, it gets a little bit.
Guys, Frankie Grande got put up. Oh my god.
Shut up,
No.
not Frankie Grande.
You're so fake. You're
Oh, not
so
the
fake.
Not the loop.
Not my queen. Guys, why would you want my queen?
Let's do a sword fight.
Invoking.
Sword fight.
What should be lava spinner?
Oh,
it's
not
me.
please.
If it's lava spinning, I'm in. I'm
Look,
going to
it's
take
gonna
this
be
out.
This
You
is
can
like
have
really special. No,
that's
because all
fine.
these challenges are so forgettable.
No.
You got
It's
this.
forgettable as the first
You
one.
can have that whole side. I don't have that side over here.
No, you just tell Frankie to have a corner, and then
Yeah. Oh my god, no, because I didn't get down. Oh, no, because I can't even jump.
Oh, run, just run, girl.
Oh my god. Stop, go away from me. Get
My
off.
queen.
the sabotage.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still
Oh my
alive.
goodness, I thought you were out.
They're running around in circles.
Yeah.
You
Guys,
should
guys,
trouble
I
it.
want you to go the other way, or else it's gonna go down to draw.
Okay, let's do it luck then. Luck be in
I don't think it'll let you
Frankie,
Chris Mommy.
Frankie, just like follow me
Nothing
the way
is gonna go to random because
One of you, oh my
Make a move
goodness.
to actually get the other person.
I'll give you some Robux, girl. I promise.
Guys,
I
I'm
will.
really gonna scream.
Go the other way.
Take the other one off. Jeez, at least
At least, like, disconnect the other one. I don't know.
disconnect. Go to their house and unplug their
Yes,
Wi-Fi.
Okay, honestly, both you just leave after random at this point. You can't do anything in 4 seconds.
Rob, if I go home.
Oh my god. Lucy's trying.
Right, I
can
tried. So don't pick
respect
me. Don't pick me, please. No!
No!
See,
Please.
My queen!
You're so fake for voting me.
Pop her the balloon, please.
That was kind of. Those in the first. Oh
You're
god.
just gonna. You're just smacking me with your umbrella.
You guys, I'm not touching my mouse. What's
Guys,
happening?
what's going on?
Yeah, looks like you're trying to find the nearest exit, but you don't know where it is.
I love how everyone left. We look at the rules. Please do not leave, otherwise the game might glitch. Everyone, yeah, no.
Yeah,
Oh
bye.
no, they're talking about when you get eliminated and you go.
Why am I always all the way over here? Why?
Jake do that? He like left like mid-air.
No,
it's
as long
because-
as
No, wait, Cole, isn't it because you won last time?
No, but I always am over here, even if I didn't last time. I swear.
Oh, well, that's just a
Oh
flop.
my god.
That
Why couldn't I
big
move?
mushroom is like making me want
It's
to
rigged for
die. I
Peachy,
cannot
guys.
see anything.
Peachy
maybe
has
that's
rigged it
their
for herself.
idea. Like they're trying to like.
The umbrella's blocking me
That was
too.
us.
You know, looking good really has a cost to IG.
Oh, who's
Yeah.
so good, mommy?
It's like, do you?
Okay, no,
want
you think
access
your
to
umbrella's
the
blocking you? Do you see the mushroom?
Do you not see?
No, I know, that's what I just said!
Oh my god, this
Get
mushroom.
out, get it out of here, it's blinding my...
Oh,
Oh my god.
Yes, we're voting Icicle and Echo.
No, thank you. I prefer
you're-
not to.
Echo's literally quitting. Echo's gonna go away, okay?
Yeah, no, but still.
I'm just gonna be on All Stars, and if the time is correct. Okay.
There. So I get 20 votes against me.
20 votes.
Yeah,
No,
all
but-
the eliminated people plus.
No, but if Echo's like just gonna like let me win, then yes, give me my 2 elim wins, please.
Not the
I
2
will.
eliminated.
Give me my all-stars. Give me my all-stars.
Okay, I'm there.
Oh my god, I'm so
Guys,
shocked.
who voted Echo? Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
What? I voted Icicle.
You voted the host. Oh my god.
I didn't. I voted Icicle.
Hey,
Oh.
question. Which two people voted the host?
I want my limb win. Give me my limb
No,
win.
you're not getting your
Oh, wow,
own
this
limb
is
win.
such a
Alright,
fitting
I'll
one.
do it.
Such a fitting one for you to
Echo, just stay. No, Echo, when you get eliminated, just stay until like when you're fully in the lobby, you leave.
Peachy, you can't do this because it's rainbow. Don't let it get to you. It's rainbow.
It's just balls. Peachy,
Peachy, don't do it. It's rainbow. You can't go across all the colors. No. It's not June. Oh my god.
Peachy, I need to. I'll be dead. Alright, thank you for inviting me there. I'll see you guys in All Stars.
Bye, Echo.
Bye.
There's Echo waving.
Honestly, Echo's so robbed. They were blindsided by all of us.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Bye.
How do you do obbies with a big hat? That's my question.
Yeah. I guess first person is best.
That makes sense.
Wait, hold on. They have like mushrooms on their back.
Who is this one?
Oh my god,
This
not
is
this one. Guys, it's rigged. This one's rigged.
Guys, please just. Please.
Icicle?
Why am I so far away from everyone else?
I'm so scared.
Collect
Stop shaking.
No!
Guys, I can't stop shaking. I'm so scared.
Probably like
They're gonna
all the
spook
people that got
us.
eliminated
They're
that just
gonna
want like
scare
literally
you.
destroy. Most of the people that already got eliminated aren't gonna have to do a lot of work to actually do that.
If I don't find it. Oh my goodness!
Frankie.
Oh my god.
Hey, you busy?
Same. I got the.
You wanna
I had
get?
no idea who you were, but I never dared vote you.
Oh my god, stop.
Yeah, that's.
Don't vote me
yeah,
in.
that's fine.
I was supposed
Guys,
to.
I'm a girl.
Yeah, but at least you're getting your redemption in this time.
I got a better laptop.
Watch you win. Honestly, Frankie for the win.
And if I don't win, I'm too focused.
I'd rather.
I've
not
actually
go.
gone in. I
Yeah.
have gone in enough, okay? I've gone in
Yes.
every
Oh
time.
my god.
Whacking in
With
my
mushrooms.
It's gonna be me, isn't it?
Ew,
Oh my gosh, wait.
I've been doing so good. I'm like,
Help! I voted. For Peachy, what's going on?
Oh my god. Oh my
so
god.
suddenly I could.
You guys,
What is
I
it?
voted for everyone but
Oh,
Danny.
It's these Ivy wall jumps.
Girl, this one's too easy, that's the thing.
I know that's the
Well,
thing.
I
It's
mean,
so
it's
annoying.
a lot easier when there's not a big mushroom blocking your face. so-
No, but I feel like
I'm not talking about Priqe having to deal with it. I'm talking about Danny.
I swear. Ooh.
Danny, don't rush, girl. It's gonna be your downfall.
Danny,
Oh my god, congrats, Danny.
But
Wait,
I'm
hold on,
gonna
congrats,
be shocked
guys.
I
I'm gonna
will
be shocked
miss
if that
you.
balloon doesn't fall with how much mushroom is on that. I swear.
Honestly, guys, so when they float up, we see it come crashing down with all that weight.
Shut up.
Peachy's gonna. Stop trying to drown yourself.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Christ. Okay.
Wait, if I'm the same color as a duck, do I win?
Wait, I need to actually get out of here because if I'm like swimming when it teleports me, I might glitch, and I do not want that to happen.
We're all swimming.
No.
Oh, thank God.
Peachy was just. Peachy got vexed.
Why am I always all the way at the end? What is this?
Last
What the
time someone got
heck?
vexed, they got sent to space.
Yeah.
Okay, I've been listening to Bimbo Doll by
Oh my god, I'm not gonna win.
by Tila, whatever.
I'm really gonna
And this
love
whole
my
time,
like, my low safe low safe win era.
I haven't been keeping track. I'm sorry.
because we don't have a
No,
huge
yeah, I
mushroom
haven't
for this.
either. I just randomly guessed. LOL.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my
I'm gonna
God.
cry.
I just saw someone
Oh
jump
my
in the
good
pit
god!
of lava.
Oh my good god, mommy! Peachy was blocking with her
down.
big body.
hit the Ologies countdown.
Peachy, you're literally so huge, mommy.
No,
You're
but
like-
the way I just see Cole fall instantly to the lava.
Guys! Oh my god, that really hurt!
Dude, what the frick?
I
What was
want to
that
die. This challenge
scream?
can like literally burn, like after, because it's fire.
Sorry.
Are you singing? Are you singing? Are you singing opera right now?
Yes, mommy.
Watch it.
You're
Alexa,
such a very-
play me. Guys, just cause I committed tax fraud.
Oh,
I
you want
did
some
not
more
have a-
makeup? I have some in my bag.
Are you saying I have caked on makeup? Is that what an insult?
No, I was just asking if you want some more.
Breaks down sobbing.
Oh my
No,
god.
it's not an insult. It's
Guys.
just, I'm just asking if you want some.
If I go in, I heard that Frankie will beat one immunity and vote you in. Yeah,
Oh?
don't trust
Wait,
Frankie.
what? Oh my god, don't blame it on me.
No, I would never. I don't know, mommy. Is
Kind of scary, you guys. It's
Guys.
kind of scary.
I'm really
Yes,
scared.
umbrella.
Very scared. Oh no.
Ella, what? Under my umbrella. Ella.
Oh my
So
god.
I see Peachy trying to get me voted in.
Oh my god. Peachy let me do
Guys, guys, thank you so much. Guys, I want to thank you because.
No, stop, because Cole is like, I'd like to thank the Academy.
I would like to thank.
I'm loving
I
this
would like to
conversation.
I'd like to thank Redheads
No.
for not showing up. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I'm sorry, Frankie, but I need to win.
Oh my
I'd
god,
like
why
to
we
thank
okay?
the Academy.
I'd like to thank Danny, Icicle,
Okay, you know what?
Peachy,
I'm not doing this anymore.
Frankie, and they're the Academy.
What do you mean you're not doing this?
Put me for All-Stars, guys.
Peachy is literally the strongest. I can't.
I'm not doing this anymore.
Please just hurry up, mommy. Please.
Oh, Frankie, at least you made it far. At least you got a redemption.
Honestly, I thought you were gonna win, Frankie.
This top 4 kind of slayed, TBH.
Honestly, I don't know, because this couple.
You know what? Come here. Come here. We're looking at the fungi attraction. This is what happens when you get eliminated. You turn into a statue, but you were. For me, I will turn into a dildo. Yeah.
What?
Oh my god.
Hello?
Oh my god, what is this? This is like.
demonetized so hard. Oh, wait. Can we get rid of the rock and then just
Wait.
like, leave that? Yeah.
Can you like play I Love Rock and Roll by whatever her name is? Like, yeah, I'd be like so cute. For this.
Okay,
love
nice.
rock and roll.
We're gonna get Peachy copyrighted.
Okay, guys, you didn't hear this from me, but I think Icicle should go home next.
They're just
Oh
gonna
my
do the,
god! Oh my
do the-
god!
They're just gonna do the freaking video with like background music.
With classical music.
So
Personally, I think I slayed, and I think we should vote Aubrey. Shit.
Guys, I just got a DM, and it's actually from. I don't know.
the crying.
I didn't know where I was going with that one. I was gonna say Naya because I miss
I was
her.
gonna say.
No, Naya was my. I just want to let y'all know Naya was my closest line this whole time, and when Charlotte went first.
And then you went home first.
Yeah,
I
then
was
she went home
gonna say,
first. I had an
like,
emotional
what if
breakdown.
Wait, Cole. I was gonna say you got a DM for Victoria's Secret. They want all their merchandise back.
Shit.
Oh my god.
Guys, I don't like this. Oh my god, why? Please. I just want to say, hey, Icicle, you are so fucking fake. Thank you.
I make Earl a winner because I'm hearing the ladder.
Shit.
Or the shade.
Actually,
What is this?
Danny, mommy.
Cole, you know.
Don't. Just
I
say
like
still.
that's a friend. No,
Okay?
now I'm trying.
I don't
but
like
I
you
wish
as a
you
friend, and I don't like you as a person.
I wish you good luck regardless of what you do.
I wish you terrible luck. Oh, no! I'm killing myself. Jenny, no, please! No. One more second.
I'm sorry.
No. Oh my god.
Oh,
guys, can I get last second ASMR?
Mojo now.
No, you suck. Get out.
Literally me, Kitty, Jake, Jack, and Echo. They all went out so early, except for Echo.
But then
for
Echo
some
went out.
reason, people just kept reaching out to me, and I'm like, okay, sure. So I basically manipulated the whole votes the whole time. It was so goofy.
Okay, but to be fair, you just.
And now you're home.
Okay, but to be fair, you did come to me asking to be in an alliance, so I'm like, okay.
But yeah, that was
And then
because
just-
I thought it couldn't hurt, and guess what? I made good judgment, didn't I now?
Yeah, at least we both made it far. What is this belief last challenge?
You know what? I'll come in with a podcast to save this since y'all are so dry.
Please don't tell me.
Welcoming the Eliminated podcast. So, Icicle, how do you feel after playing no game? Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Please.
I mean, my no game got me to top 3, so I don't know what you're talking about no game.
Okay, Danny, how do you feel? Just how do you feel? Cause you
I-
look dry.
I know you're not talking.
Peachy, you're
No,
gonna
how do you
lose
feel?
anyway. Danny literally has 2 full layers. Just jump down. Just make it quicker.
Yeah,
Well,
mommy.
I
You're at the
honestly,
very
I feel
bottom
happy
layer.
that I'm
Danny's literally
doing,
the whole top.
I'm
making
doing
his
well,
whole legs low,
especially,
and has the whole middle.
doing like
you have no
really well,
chance.
because like
Plus, you're the host.
I
so
honestly
people
thought
know.
I wasn't gonna. Well, I was gonna make it decently far, but then get out. But turns out I proved myself. So
I thought I was
I'm really
gonna make it to top 2.
Oh, hey, you.
oh,
that
I
was-
did it.
Icicle, you're the one who
mind you.
trash talk your contestants would like get eliminated, but okay.
Oh.
Anyways, put it back
No.
on mute.
No, because Lucy came to me.
Can I hear this?
Yeah, no, I don't care. Like, that's the whole.
Why is the top 3 man?
I don't know.
No, that was my fault.
Well,
Honestly, I was.
For the record, I'm a duck, so.
Yeah, but like,
I'm happy I'm making it to
Come on,
finale.
Peachy, let's
I'm
go.
doing really well,
Let's
especially from
ride.
minigame tower. I mean, I did do well in minigame tower, but at least I'm improving my health and my original.
11 tries.
Oh, ew!
Oh, Peachyology.
Guys, wasn't I the most entertaining this season? I think.
Nah,
I
forgot
you
who
were
you are.
entertaining. You were like having your moments, so it was
You were
very
definitely-
funny.
I was
in the
no,
cast,
I was here
that's
no,
for
because
sure.
it was so quiet, and I was quiet at the beginning too, because I didn't want to talk over anybody.
it was
I
only
just went
quiet
in.
because I left.
Yeah, I was just
Okay.
trying to
Because we got
focus.
out Naya first.
It was only quiet because I left,
The
but
whole first
pop off
round,
quick.
Naya
Yeah,
was
but,
talking
like-
constantly, so that's why.
Yeah,
we were
but then there was also like people disconnecting as well. Like I feel like Kitty would have talked sometimes.
Also, I just want
Who
to
was
say
that?
me
Was
and
that
Naya
me?
would
That
have.
was probably me.
No, it was Peachy, I think.
Okay, hey Danny.
Hey,
Okay,
Icicle.
also, I just
Bye.
want to say.
Only one of us can wear a mask, and I'm wearing it best.
Oh wait. Bring me, Peachy, bring me! No, bring me, please! Oh my god, She-Woman's
my
here, guys!
God.
She-Woman!
Is that how
It's
vegetables
me.
work? Is that how
Yes,
vegetables
actually,
work?
I'm a carrot. That's what I mean.
my
Hey, Jenny, look.
God,
Shut
you
up.
look really. Your skin looks really.
Shut up.
I know, it's
A sponge just in case if you piss your pants, and
Damn it.
$5.99 coloured pens. Balls. Yeah,
I just want to
That's
say.
just like my.
Actually, I probably
exactly.
Like, who would not want a sponge in their pants just in case of a piss themselves?
That happens to me all the time.
What are you doing?
Oh wait, you're supposed to go
What was your plan there,
inside the
Icicle?
house?
Oh, God, I'm
Your
here.
mom. Oh, am I supposed to walk on this?
Wait, what final
No,
is
honestly, I
that?
wasn't like actually trying this whole game, so I'm honestly surprised I made final 2 and
Guys,
I'm probably winning.
Peachy, you should take a spoiler, and this is me in the top 2. This is the spoiler. 100%.
Can you like mute Cole, please, so I can like...
I did it!
Good job, Danny.
Hey. So I just want to say I'm just really happy I made it this far, and I actually did get to prove myself in a group, even though I have before. But I'm really happy. I did really well, and I was able to win this group overall.
Your final message, mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, you all were flops. I honestly wasn't even taking this seriously, so I'm surprised that so many people listened to me and voting, but I guess that just says a lot about the other people playing.